Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add Collaborator on your Instagram story. To do so, firstly, you'll have to go to your Instagram. Then now, to add the collaboration story that your collaborator has posted, you'll have to first go to your notification center, which is the heart icon at the top right corner of your screen, right beside the inbox icon. You may tap on the heart icon. Here, you may refresh the page. Then here at the top, you can see the mentions option. You may tap on the mentions option to look at the collaboration post. Once you tap on that, your post opens up. Then at the bottom of the post, you can see add to your story button. You may tap on that to add your collaboration or the post that your collaborator added. Once you tap on add your story, then you will be taken to your story interface. Now, to add this collaboration, you may just tap on the image that your collaborator just posted. Once you tap on that, the image gets bigger or gets larger. Then you may just tap on the Your Story button at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will simply add your collaborator in your Instagram story or add your collaboration on your Instagram story. Furthermore, to check if your collaboration has been successfully posted or not, you can go back to the home page. Then you can go ahead and tap on your story at the top left corner of your screen to view your story. Here, you can see right under your story or your username, you can see the collaborator's username. This means that you've successfully added your collaborator's Instagram story to your story. Now, another method to add your collaborator on your Instagram story is by going to your home page. Once you're at your home page, then you can tap on the plus icon right below your story option at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on that, they allow you to add a story. Now, you can choose the image or the media that you want to add as your story or as your collaboration. Once you select that, then you can again go ahead and then tap on the Your Story button at the bottom left corner of your screen to add this to your story. Now, to add a collaborator, you may go ahead and tap on the story that you just uploaded. Then, at the bottom right corner of your story, you can see 3 dots. You may tap on the 3 dots. Here on the 7th option, you can see the Add Mention option. You may tap on Add Mentions. Here you can see the list of people you can add as your collaborator. You may either search the person that you want to collaborate with or scroll down to the person that you want to collaborate with. Then you may just tap on the circle right beside the username and make sure the tick mark appears. Then you may just tap on the Add Mention button at the bottom of your screen. This will simply add your collaborator on your Instagram story. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.